Hello, friends. So, today I'm here on yet another amazing road trip of Mudon. I'm here entering with the gate number 1, and when you can see, I'm entering the first roundabout is over here. This first roundabout on my right, Damac Hills starts, and on my left, Mudon starts. So, I would say when you're entering from Qudra Road, you have common entrance for both the Damac Hills as well as Mudon. So I have turned left from the roundabout, and you can see very first thing I can see when I entered Mudon is the community center. I will show you the community center from inside. It's really amazing. It's like a mini mall over here. It has got supermarkets, you have coffee shops, you have pharmacy, you have toy store, you have what I would say laundry, you have everything what you can think of within the community itself. So on my left hand side, when I have entered from gate number 1, you can see it's Salam townhouses. On my right hand side, it's Rahat villas. So Salam and Rahat as well as Naseem, these three are basically targeted and designed according to the Arabic texture, Arabic design. So of course it is freehold property and anyone can buy these properties, but the interiors and the designs and layouts is basically about the Mediterranean designs, Mediterranean villas and townhouses. It is amazing from inside. You can see outside also it looks amazing. It is a great thing to see over here. And on this main road if I'm going, you can see how beautifully they have managed this community. You can see the grasses well maintained, trees lined up, symmetrical. Everything what you can see in a community is over here. By the way, Mudon is basically developed and delivered by Dubai Properties. In my previous videos, I have discussed about their portfolio of Dubai Properties. They have number of communities which they have developed actually. Example, Business Bay, you have then JBR, you have Mudon, you have Rimram. There are many, and not only these, they have a good number of portfolio in other businesses as well. But today my focus is on Mudon, and in Mudon itself I am focusing today on Arabella townhouses. So after successful projects of Rahat, Salam and Naseem, Dubai Properties launched contemporary design for Arabella. The first phase was Arabella 1, which they successfully sold, then Arabella 2, then Arabella 3, all of them were successfully sold, and at present you will not find anything from the developer to buy anything in Arabella. Of course there would be some of the deals in the secondary market, which you know everywhere that from the secondary market there will be some kind of sales always happening. It never stops. So on my left hand side it's all Arabella, and Arabella 1, 2 and 3 like this they have designed. They have according to the master plan. Mudon has basically 3 entries: gate number 1, gate number 2 and gate number 3. So it is actually sandwiched between E311, that means Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Road, and E611, which is Emirates Road. Some of the people call it as Truck Road, or there are other names as well, which like in previous days we used to take the name, but now it is called as E611 completely, and E311 for Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Road. So I am here at the roundabout now, and you can see these townhouses, the contemporary designs, they are almost getting over. This is the construction site, office basically, and you can see some of the low rise buildings from here. These are actually Damac Hills. So these villas which you can see from this roundabout are Damac Hills villas, and some of the low-rise buildings you can see, those are Loreto and all those set of buildings. So I would take a roundabout U-turn from here. By the way, Mudon is an Arabic word and it means city. So if I'm taking the word Mudon is basically a community over here in Dubai, and it is completely family community. So it consists of villas, townhouses, and of course you can see the connectivity is amazing. If you type Mudon on Google Maps will show you how beautiful it is connected. The Mall of Emirates is like 10 to 15 minutes only from here. Now I have entered to Arabella 2, and you can see most of the townhouses are complete, handed over, and some of the townhouses are still undergoing snagging process. I'll not say it's undergoing construction process because construction is already done. So of course for snagging you will see some of the people over here, which you can feel it that okay fine, from the inside there are still some of the things pending. When the owners come and they do the snagging, they have to complete and deliver it. There is no compromise on the quality by Dubai Properties. You can see how beautifully they have managed this community. And if I'm talking about Arabella, so you can see how lush green they are. These trees are actually planted by Dubai Properties themselves. So Mudon has basically 3-bed and 4-bed townhouses, freehold property, and anyone can buy. So you can see the greenery around. There are of course parks and all, but I won't be able to show you on this road trip. And there will be some kind of cycling track, jogging track, sports activities like courts, then exercise stations, everything would be over here. Children's play area. You can see how beautiful the community looks like. There are some of the series in Arabella 2 itself which has been handed over. I would like to show you those series as well, and some of the series are not yet handed over. So I am here on both the terms. From Mudon, I would say downtown, Business Bay, Dubai Marina, all are nearby. Nothing is far from here. Plus it has got schools, it has got restaurants, cafe, hotels, everything is nearby itself. When I'm entering from Qudra Road, on my left hand side it's the sustainable city, on my right hand side is the Mudon. You can see these townhouses which has dustbins outside, these are occupied, and those townhouses those doesn't have dustbins outside their house are not occupied. Simple. So I'll go into the next street. You will see every house has a dustbin outside, which means every house is occupied. See, this is the street where all the series of the townhouses which are occupied already, handed over already. I would love to show you from the inside of Arabella townhouses as well, but of course that I will do in the coming videos. The next video is coming up. And of course Mudon has townhouses and villas, but they have also got few of the apartments with them, and those are called as Mudon Views. For Mudon Views also I will discuss in my next video that how Mudon Views and their finishings are there. Of course I will show you only 1-bed and 2-bed layouts, but they would be, when you're buying the properties, the layouts might change. see how clean, how beautifully the community is managed. What I would do is I would finish this townhouses road trip, and I would take you to the exit from gate number 2, and I would re-enter the community from gate number 3. So from gate number 3 is actually in Hessa Road, and gate number 1 and 2 is basically coming from Qudra Road. Qudra Road is the same road which is also basically starting from Dubai, what I would say Burj Al Arab Street, and that is at that point of time it is called as Sukem Road. When you continue straight towards Arabian Ranches, then it is renamed as Qudra Road, because the same road leads you to Qudra. That is the reason. So I will do is I will finish this, complete this road trip of Arabella Townhouse, and I would like to show you how you are going to exit and how easy and how accessible the major highways are. So what I would do is I would exit on another major highway called as 611 E611 Emirates Road. So I have exited from Arabella 2. So after Arabella 2 comes Arabella 1. You can see the occupancy. This is all Arabella 1. All these are occupied, and of course Mudon is very high in demand always. Dubai Properties has never let anyone down with the investors or end users, anyone. They have delivered the quality, they have delivered the product very well, they have managed it very well. So these are all Arabella 1, and in my, of course, next videos I will try to show you about the community center as well, how beautiful the community center is. Of course it has got a nursery as well, by the way. So you can see Arabella almost ends. Now it's here as Naseem. So these are Naseem townhouses. You can see the Mediterranean design of Naseem. Of course the layout itself changes when you are moving from the contemporary to the Mediterranean designs and layouts. To me personally, I like both of them. You can see the symbol of mosque over here, so you can know actually that within the community there is a mosque. You don't have to exit the community always. So you can see I'm approaching to Qudra Road exit. This is gate number 2. So this is the exit for Qudra Road, or I would say Emirates Road, because from here you can take a U-turn to Qudra Road and you can join directly to Emirates Road. So on my left lane goes as a U-turn, and this lane which I am here, this lane leads straight towards the Emirates Road. This Emirates Road connects you to directly to Jebel Ali. Jebel Ali, or people who are living in Abu Dhabi or doing the job over in Abu Dhabi. So you can see how easy the exit was. Now what I would do is I have moved from Qudra Road, I have joined to Emirates Road, and I would rejoin in Hessa Street. From Hessa Street, it's entry towards Mudon again, and that's gate number 3. Opposite to gate number 3, there is another community of Dubai properties called as Rimram. For Rimram, I will explain you in a different video. These are Rimram actually. This is gate number 3. I have entered from Hessa Street. You can see how easy the exit and entry is to Mudon, and now you can understand why it's so popular among the residents of Dubai and why it's so popular among the investors across the world. So I would continue straight because all these are construction sites. Construction site is basically for Arabella 3. So you can see the outside, it's almost complete. It's only about the final finishings. All these things are going on. Its handover is again soon. I would take a right from here and continue my trip to Arabella now. If you remember, in just previously I have covered from this roundabout and Arabella 2, Arabella 1, so I will escape that. So this on my left it is Rahat Villas, and on my right it's Arabella 1. So I'm moving it quickly, and I have almost completed this road trip of Mudon. You can let me know how you like the community, how you like the road trip. You can let me know your reviews as well. So you have games and courts, sports, everything is included within the community. You don't have to consider that okay fine, I have to be outside, I have to visit there and here. It's not like that, because it's Dubai properties. They are doing the master plan, and as per the master plan they have every kind of amenities within the community. You can see the layouts and finishings of these townhouses and villas. It's really different from Arabella. I have entered from gate number 1. On my left hand side, at that point of time it was community center. So what I would do is I will finish my road trip in the same road, and I would enter the community center today, and later I would show you how the community center looks like from inside. You can see your hypermarket is already there, supermarket basically. Fitness First, you have every kind of retail shops, retail chains over here. Now I think I should end this road trip, and you can let me know what are the reviews, what would you like to add more as an information, or you would like me to add more as an information. I would happy to answer your questions. Feel free to give me a call to know more about this particular project. I would happy to answer. Give me a WhatsApp, give me a call. Thank you.